In this video, we'll show you how to automatically add RSS feed items to an Airtable table. First, I'll generate an RSS feed. You can skip this part if you already have one. If you're interested, the website link is in the description. Note how many items your RSS feed fetches per run. Mine pulls 25. Now that I have my RSS link, we can start. Make sure you have a table ready in Airtable. Go to make.com and click Create a New Scenario in the top right corner. Search for RSS and click on Watch RSS Feed Items. Paste your RSS URL and set the number of items it will fetch. Then click on OK. Keep it on from now on. Current 25 items won't be added to Airtable, only new ones. Click on the plus sign to add another module. Search Airtable and select Create a Record. You'll need to authorize Airtable. Here's a clip from another video I made that shows how to do this. Click on Airtable OAuth. Then click Save. Choose the base or workspace where your table is located. And finally, click Grant Access. Back to our video. Choose the base your table is in and select your table's name. Now we need to map the values based on your Airtable table. If your table has different column names, it will vary. Mine has these 4 columns. When you are done mapping the values, click on OK. I'm just going to save it. Set up the scenario schedule and turn it on so that it runs automatically while you're sleeping. And we are done. Here is a demo on how it will work. It will run automatically and update your Airtable table. The description isn't perfect, but I could have cleaned it up in make.com before adding it to Airtable. Thanks for watching. Check the links in the description for make.com and the RSS site to support me at no extra cost to you. If you have video ideas, share them in the comments. See you next time.